Hi, in this demo, we would see how we can use config maps to pass configuration details to our applications which get deployed using deployments. In the last chapter, we have seen how we can deploy a multi-tier application on a Kubernetes cluster. On the screen, you can see the front end of the application which we deployed. In the first line of the web page, we see a text, Cloud Yoga, an icon, and some more text, Garage RSVP. If we look at the application's code on the RSVP app GitHub repository, we can see that all of these three entities are being set as environment variables. Let us now assume that we got a requirement to deploy the same application for another customer. And for the new customer, we just need to change the company name, its logo, and other details so that it caters the new customer now. With config maps, we can pass the new environment variables, which would make our application look suitable for the new customer. So here we are creating a config map called customer1, in which we are defining text1, text2, and the company inside the data field. With the kubectl create command, we are now creating a config map customer1. With the kubectl describe command, we can describe our config map customer1, which lists the key value pairs which we defined earlier. Now let us go and update the deployment RSVP. Like here, we are assigning the text1 environment variable from the text1 key of customer1 config map. After updating the deployment configuration file for RSVP deployment, let us first delete the older RSVP deployment and create the new one with kubectl create command. There is no need to create a new service RSVP because the selector on the service would select the pods from the new deployment. Let us now go to the web browser and access our application. And as expected, the front end is updated for the new customer. So this is how we can use config maps to pass the configuration details.